Hello, everybody. I know it's been a while. I know. So sorry. My apologies, but we all know what is going on since February, all about this pandemic, the COVID, etc., and everybody was home from work, everything closed down. It was a mess. And then after I passed a bit, and then everybody went back to work. One of my aunts got very ill. She was almost dead. Yes, a long story. Anyways, I'm back, and today I will be making a different kind of recipe, which is with sunflower seed. I want to experiment with all of you. I'm been dying to try this tortilla, sunflower seed tortilla recipe. So here I have a cup of sunflower seeds, but they are raw, not roasted, they're raw. Okay, so I'm going to grab a blender, whichever blender that you have, you just use. I'm going to grind this up until it looks like flour. Okay, so now I will be adding salt to taste. You put the amount of salt you wish, but if you don't want to add salt, you don't have to. Okay, so now let's blend this up. Okay, so once I blended this up, I'm adding already 2 eggs. I have one in there already, so 2 eggs. Next, we add half a teaspoon of baking powder. And now we blend this up. Okay, so it almost looks like peanut butter, but it's not. I'm going to add more water, 1/4 cup of water, and then I'm going to blend this up again. Okay, so this is how it looks like. For my taste, it doesn't look good enough for me, so I'm going to put more liquid, 1/4 cup more of water. I want it more thinner. Okay, so I added another 1/4 cup, so that becomes half a cup, a full half cup of water. So I'm scraping off this little leftover on the lid, and then I mix it up with my hands quickly. Okay, done. Now let's heat up our pan. Once the pan is hot, let's add our batter. Okay, so what I did is just put it right in the middle and try to spread it as thin as possible. I don't want it too thick, so I just spread it quickly. So this is how they look like. Well, they look flexible, they look nice. Mostly they look like pancakes, honestly. So I think this would be great to use in a waffle maker as well. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is finish what little bit I have left, and I'll be back once they're done. And here they are, all ready. Well, I still have one on the pan. So totally what I got out of 1 cup of sunflower seeds, I got 5 tortillas, and they are not small. They're pretty big, but honestly, they can be made as pancakes instead of tortillas. So you will get several out of that amount. Now, I've tasted a small piece because I'm on a carnivore diet, so I just tasted a little piece, and they do taste really nice. They're nice and flexible. They taste good, actually. My mother-in-law tried it and she loves it. As simple as that, this recipe, just easy and quick. And as you can see, it does crack if you fold it. It's not really for a tortilla to make a wrap. So basically this is actually like a pancake. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share the video. Like, comment below. Let me know if you tried it out and if you liked it or not. Comment below so I can know how you did it different or if you didn't like it at all. But anyways, I appreciate your support. And I really thank you very much for having patience and waiting on me. And thank you very much for your support again. And welcome to the new subscribers as well. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for choosing my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.